Hey, who are you? What do you got?
Hey, my name's Dane. I'm from Beaverton, Oregon, and I'm rocking an SBF.
Who are you? What do you got?
Hi, I'm Spencer Luciani with 916 Blaster Battles up in Sacramento. I'm running a GavinFuzzy's SBF with Out of Darts Kodamags. There's a lot right here.
Who are you? What do you got?
Hi, I'm Conor. I'm from Colorado with the Ragnarocktoberfest League, and I've got flag only with Protean and the Goblin.
Who are you? What do you got?
Hi, I'm Nerf Dad. I'm from the Pacific Northwest Nerf Club. I'm running a Xbox Games XF3.
Who are you? What do you got?
I'm Jason, also known as Call That Going. I'm representing the Lazy Uncles Nerf Club out of the Inland Empire, Southern California. I'm rocking a Gonk 200.
Who are you? What do you got?
My name's Christian. I'm with Mobile Foam Fights. I am rocking the Adventure Force Maxim Pro, and we are from Sacramento.
Who are you? What do you got?
My name's Calin. Come from Reno, Nevada. I'm rocking the Dual Goblins.
3, 2, 1, unload.